Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I wanna say to all of us in here. First of all, I wanna thank to Almighty God who has allowed me to stand here, and also Miss Irmawati who has allowed me to bring this material, and also my beloved friends who are here to listen to me. So thank you again, guys. And well, Indonesian people say they don't know, so they don't love. So let me introduce myself. My name is Delfigo Pratamalande with name 461200139. Guys, I'm here for presentation, not expectation, because high expectation makes someone hard. So the material I wanna bring today is describe the sources for preparing the budgeted income statement. Okay, uh, a budgeted income statement offer a window into the step initiative a business takes to reduce expenses, expand market share, and grow sales during a given period. So, say a month or fiscal quarter. To prepare this type of report, pay attention to things like first revenue, the second expenses, and the last net income. Okay, I want to explain the first is budgeted revenues. What is the budgeted revenues? Budgeted revenues to prepare a budget statement of profit and loss. The other name for an income statement start by setting revenue goals for the period under consideration. For example, set revenue thresholds for the next quarter at 125% of last quarter's revenue. In other words, you want the business to generate 25% more sales in the next 3 months than in the period quarter. Okay, the second is budgeted expenses. To set expense goals, follow the same analytical journey you use for revenue projection. If you are an entrepreneur, come through its operating expense account and determine how much money you want to spend based on the company goals and economic conditions. You note three types of expenses in a budgeted statement of profit and loss: material expense, operating outlays, and not operating costs. Okay, the third is net budgeted income, guys. At the bottom of a budgeted statement of profit and loss, display the budgeted net income or loss. Okay. If projected expenses exceed projected revenue, as a business owner, the net budgeted result is key because it tells you whether your company will thrive from a competitive standpoint or whether it will barely make operating ends meet during the period under consideration. Okay? As a result, tweak operating items as often as necessary to generate a positive result. For example, you may reduce often as necessary to generate positive result, and you may reduce projected salaries expense by cutting the planned number of new hire from 50 for 30. Okay. The last I want to explain about wrapping it up. The mean is knowing how to prepare a budgeted income statement is useful, but the work doesn't end there. As an entrepreneur, you must essential that you follow up on budgetary items, ensuring that personnel perform tasks in accordance with stipulation. A failure to do so could generate runaway deficits and operating losses, the kind that cripple a company's competitive stature and commercial existence down the road. Okay, guys, maybe that's all I wanna say about preparing about the budgeted income statement, guys. Okay, mungkin so many presentation for me. I'm sorry if there are shortcoming, guys. Because perfection is when you and I are together. Wash your hand until clean. That's all, and thank you, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.